Namaste from TechRaman. I have here the Honor Play, and in this video I'm going to talk about the features, tips and tricks and what you can get and what you don't get on this device. So here are the answers to some of your frequently asked questions, so let's shoot. GPU Turbo. Honor has recently announced that their phones will be getting a GPU Turbo update to enhance or boost the gaming performance and also optimize the battery. Honor Play is the first device to come with the GPU Turbo out of the box. Display. The phone comes with a 6.3-inch display with a Full HD plus resolution. It has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and there is a notch. If you don't like notch, you can always disable it in the settings. There is no Corning Gorilla Glass protection, but the company says there is some sort of a strengthened glass to it. By default, there is no app drawer, but in case you like the app drawer, you can go to the home screen style settings and enable the app drawer. The phone supports call recording, so you can have an auto call recording for all the calls, or you can select certain numbers which you want to record. There is an app twin or dual app support, so you can duplicate apps like WhatsApp, Facebook and Messenger and run two instances of the same app. So if you have a dual SIM, you can have two WhatsApp enabled on the same phone. The phone comes with a 3750 mAh battery and there is a battery power saver mode, so and including the ultra power saver mode. There is a quick charge support to the phone, so you can charge the phone very quick. Fingerprint sensor is placed at the rear and it works very fast. It's very accurate. App lock is supported, and then there are certain other features associated with the sensor area, like you can take a photo by touching the sensor area, answer the incoming call by touching the sensor area. You can access the quick notification by scrolling on the sensor area, as well as browse the pictures by scrolling on the sensor area. Face recognition works really well, and you can also app lock via face recognition. There is a private space, so it's basically like you can have a two partition on the phone, and two partition works separately from each other, so you can have a different set of apps on different partitions, and you can also enable different fingerprint sensor to access the different partition. So there's a new feature called High Touch in association with the Amazon Assistant. So when you click a picture and you want to check that product in Amazon, all you have to do is just press with both their fingers and it quickly takes the link to the Amazon or to the related products in the Amazon. The phone supports one-hand mode. There are smart features like flip to mute and three-finger screenshot. System navigation. In the navigation settings, you find three options. You can change the position of the back button as well as the menu button, and there is also a gesture actions, so you can use a navigation gestures to control the home screen, home, back, recent menus, and there's also a navigation dock to navigate the phone. There's also a symbol mode which you can enable where you get a UI like this, big, bold with a tile effect and easy to use. There's a game suit. If you're a gamer, you can enable while gaming, so you'll get a D&D mode, so you without disturbance from any notification and incoming call, you can have a seamless gameplay. The phone supports OTG. Coming to the camera, there is a support for 4K recording. There's a portrait mode for both front and back. It supports raw images, and there is EIS, electronic image stabilization. So what is not available? There is no NFC, it's not waterproof, and there is no IR port. So these are the various features, tips and tricks you can get on the Honor Play. So what do you think about this device? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lashmajan signing off for TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.